Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Okay, today we are discussing another strange strategy, one of the best in town right now that you can use to scalp and grow any little account. All right, we are using this $10 account as a case study. All right, now I just funded this $10 right now for practical purposes in this strategy. Okay, look at why did I enter this trade right now. I enter it because of this setup has been met right here. Even though I entered late, but already I'll take some candles before I will exit. Okay, now let us see how we can grow this $10 account bit by bit with this setup. All right, let us pause now and we'll come back in a few minutes later to see if it has hit our take profit and we'll exit and look for another setup. All right, let me check if I can see other setup before we go off the market. All right, meanwhile, please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so I get notified once a new setup is posted. Okay, here we'll try to bring to you awesome trade strategy that can make you money, real money in the market. All right, I've not seen any other setup right now, so let us wait for this one to see how we can go with it. I will pause right now and come back later. Okay, yeah, hello guys, welcome back. This is the trade we entered right now. Now I will exit the market because we have hit our take profit. Look at it, level 30 is our take profit. So I will take my profits right now. Because we have hit our first take profit. If I want, I can hold to the TP2, which is level 40, but because of this live trade, let us take it right now at level 30. Okay, we have got 2.42 right now. All right, you see that is just the okay. Now how does it work? How does this setup work? How does it work? If I like, I can hold this because I know it's an uptrend market. If I wish, I can hold it for a longer period of time, but because of, let us hold this for the TP2. Already we have hit our TP1 right now, so we should exit, but let us hold a bit while we explain the setup, how it works. All right, now here we go. You don't need to know what is on the main chart. That is not part of the strategy. We only want to know what the one on the main chart, on this indicator window right here. Okay, so now what do we need to do? What do we need to do for the setup? First of all, the zoom level. What is our zoom level? What is our zoom level? Okay, our zoom level right here is just from the lowest zoom level. You zoom out once like this. So this is the zoom level for the strategy. Okay, please, meanwhile, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel right now and click on the bell beside so that you get notified once a new video is uploaded. All right, now you see we have already hit the level 40. Also, level of our new TP has been also taken. All right, so we should exit the market right now. If you are trading with this thing, we should exit once you hit level 30 and find another entry. Because we are live on this trade, we want to see how far we can go before a spike will catch us. Okay, now first of all, go to your F button right here to set your settings. Click on the F button. Now go to the stochastic oscillator. All right, you see it here. K period is 1, D is 1, slowing is 1, price feed is low high, simple is the method, the pixels, all these things should be your background color. All right, and the levels right here should be the level of 30, 85, 90, 70, 15, 10, 40, 60. Okay, you can label level 70 your boom take profit, boom take profit 1, level 60 boom take profit 2, now level 40 crash take profit 1, level 30 rather crash take profit 1, level 40 crash take profit 2. Okay, let us do it so that you can get it. Crash take profit 1, right? Here is our entry. Let me not do that. 70 here is boom, take profit 1. All right, now level 40 is crash, take profit 2. Level 60 is boom, take profit 2. All right, so this is just simple way I did it so that you can understand what way I'm going. Okay, now when you do that, you click on done. All right, click on done and you are good to go. We are here, guys. Now the next thing you are going to do in that chart is go to that place again, enter your alligator. Your alligator should be these settings. We have the settings. Job period is 13, shift is 88553, smoothed, median price. All right, and the color should be like this. This one should be your background color, and you give this two a different color of your choice. All right, and you click on done. So once we are done, you are good to go. You are good to go. All right, you can see we have already made our $3 with lot 0.2 on this trade, even though we should already now we are to exit. Actually, we are to exit now. We already hit our take profit right here. Okay, now how does the setup work? How does this setup work? How does this setup work? You can see my entry point. Once you have set your take profit, your entry point like this, your entry point should be when this market here is around the level of 10 and 15. When the green is touching level between 10 and 15 or below 10, then you could take your buy. All right, that's why I said I entered late. My entry should be somewhere here, just a bit before I entered. Now, so you should have entered it by that time, and you take profit when it has moved up to level 30. Your tip you want, you take your profit there. If you can wait to level of 40, is your take profit 2, and that is very good to go. But I would recommend you not to be greedy. Just take your profit at level of 30 and find another entry. All right, you could see that happened right here. You could see this is a live trade we took to see, to give you the settings. Before you do that, make sure your chart is at the extreme end so that you get the right signal. Don't make it like this. Let it be at the extreme end like this. Okay, and you're good to go. Now let's check for boom 500. Now look at this one. This one sold but did not meet any target, so we have to ignore this particular trade. We have to ignore it. And when do we enter? When is the entry for this boom? When is the perfect entry for this boom? See it here. Here is the entry point here. See that as the entry point, guys. That's the entry. Let us see if we can exit now, because me too, I'm afraid of spike. Oh. I'm really afraid of spike, so I don't want spike to catch me in this market. I want to just make this thing reach 30. I will exit it and clear this small loss I had that time. All right, I will close now. I will close down because I don't want to catch my spike. All right, guys, trade with caution so I don't lose the money in the market. Okay, I will close my money right now. I will close it right now. Close. Boom. At least we have gotten $3 right now from a $10 account. Right now, you see that how far we can actually grow accounts with this setup. Now we are on a boom 500 markets. I told you guys, here is your entry point. Here is your entry point here. You will see that there was a touch here. The green has touched this level of 85 and 90, and that is where we enter the market, which is somewhere around here. You can see that the market moved down. It moved a bit before the spike happened, but the spike didn't happen, did not exceed the previous high. See that did not go above the high, so it's still valid. It is still valid. Since it's still at a level here, it is still valid. That's why you need to also employ risk management so that you don't blow your account because you see it's working well. You have to also be careful. All right now there is spike that happened that place, but it did not exceed that level, which means it's still valid to hold your trade. So you can hold your market to a level of 70, which is your TP1. See that it's actually moved down from here. You entered from here and you moved it down to this level of 70. See that here now is your first take profit, here is your second take profit. That is awesome. You should have actually gotten more than 20 candles of this trade, right? Like this. All right, that is a great market, guys. All right, now let us see another entry. This setup, see another one here, another one here. You could see our entry point, it moved around here. We entered here, it moved a bit and spiked up, yet decided not go across the recent high. So we should hold the market, and we held it the level of 70. Level of 70 we close, or level of 60. That's TP2 and TP1 hit at once. Right, that is how effective and simple this setup is. It is very simple yet effective. Now see it here. See a killer one here. Look at that. The market has actually, the green one has actually gone above. Look at it here, above the level of 85, in between 85 and 90. You enter your sell here and take your profit where level of 70, which is you shall hold market till this point, and you exit your market before the spike happened. You're already off the market. All right, that is how efficient it is. Note this thing works even on, see another entry here, see another entry here, see it here, guys, see it here, guys. It just came down and even go beyond our take profits. All right, now let us check for other indices and see what we have to see. This one now, if I see another entry right now, we can take the trade so that we'll make it a perfect examples. Okay, let me see if I can see another entry point to take right now, so that we'll see how we can roll it. Okay, now let us check for other indices. If you check on this one too, is it also works on indices, but I prefer to use it on boom and crash. All right, here now is ranging around here, so I cannot know if it will come down or not, but I presume it will come down. Already it's at overbought level, so it should be coming down right now from here. All right, but I will not enter this trade right now. I will not take the trade right now. Okay, now let me check on other indices with 25. Also look at that. This one now should be a good entry. Should be a good entry, because the green is already touching that level, but this pair is so volatile. That pair is very volatile. Let us check, let us try and enter, let us trade the market, let us trade it a bit. Let's trade that market. I will have to use a smaller size to this, because it's very volatile. So I'll have to use 0.6, and I will close and leave just 1 point there. I will sell it. This is a very volatile pair, guys, so you have to be careful while trading them. So I want to, you see, I want to exit this in zero profit. Right, I will exit now and hold this one. Let's see how it will go. We see we are now in profit. We are not, this is just a little lot size to use. Right, guys, that is how we do with it. It can work on every pairs. Let me check right 75. Let's see what we can do on that one too. All right, this one is actually not a good entry. This one has not a good entry. If you check on a high time frame, you will see that something is happening there. It is trying, it can sell. Actually, this is a head and shoulder market, so we can sell it, but I'm not certain on this market. I've not entered the market. I've not entered it. That is a very bad trade, and it can blow my account. All right, this one too is a good one. Check on a high time frame to see what is happening there. All right, and you see that is ranging at this level. Now we can enter the market. We can enter the market. We can sell the market. We can sell the market, guys. Already, our green is here. Our green is here already. See that our green is here, so we can sell that market. We can sell it. This one is still going normal. can sell the market. Let us see if we can sell this trade a bit. Let us sell it and see what will happen. Guys, I guess you see how I did this. I also trade this one with half of the lot size, so that if it's spiking, it will not catch me. It will not give me a big loss. Okay, so you use double of the lot. Okay, and I will sell it now, and I will go and close the other normal lots in profit. Then I will hold this one going. See that's how we do it. Right, guys, now you see that we entered a two live trade right here on this setup. This is actually a good mine, guys. If you miss this setup, then you are missing a lot, guys. So don't miss this setup. Try to use it. Go on demo and practice it very well before you go live on your real account. Okay, practice on demo before you go live on real account. Also follow me on Instagram at humble_fx01. Follow me on Facebook at HumbleFx official. All right, and comment on the video right now, share the video, and tell us your feedback about your experience with HumbleFx family. Right, I will leave the link below for my social media handles to follow me on there to get some tips that you may like to get. Right, guys, this is HumbleFx signing out. See you guys in the next video. It will be an awesome where I will tell you more about other things you are seeing here. That one is a different ones, but I will show you in the next video. So anticipate and subscribe to the channel so you get to see it when it comes live. Alright, guys, I remain HumbleFx. See you in the next video. Alright, you see we are still going in the market. Goodbye.